Welcome to your peaceful breathing escape. This guided meditation is crafted to help you dissolve stress and clear your mind, guiding you towards a state of deep relaxation and peace. Please find a comfortable seat in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest softly in your lap or on your knees. Take a moment to simply be here, in the present, preparing to let go of the external world and focus inwardly. Start by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs to their capacity. Notice the coolness of the air as it fills your body. Hold this breath for a moment at the top, then release it slowly through your mouth, letting all the tension flow out with it. Continue to breathe deeply at your own pace, fully aware of each breath's journey. Observe the natural rise and fall of your chest and belly as you breathe. With every exhale, imagine you are releasing more of your day's burdens. Feel relaxation spreading from your forehead, softening each feature as it flows down to your neck and shoulders. Allow this sensation of softness to move through your arms, reaching down to your fingertips. Each breath brings deeper calm, enveloping your torso, soothing your back, and descending through your hips and legs, all the way to your toes. You are now deeply relaxed, grounded in this moment. We will now deepen our focus on the breath. Inhale slowly and steadily through your nose to a count of 4. Feel your lungs expand completely. Hold this breath gently at the top for a count of 4, embracing the fullness. Then exhale smoothly and slowly through your mouth to a count of 4, experiencing a sense of release. Hold your breath out for another count of 4, feeling the emptiness. Continue this pattern, letting the rhythm of your breathing become a meditative cycle. Imagine that with each exhale, you are expelling stress and tension. Visualize this stress as a dark smoke, lifting off from your shoulders and dissolving into the air, leaving your body lighter and more relaxed. With every breath cycle, let go of thoughts, worries, and distractions. Each breath out is a release, making space for peace and clarity in your mind. In these last moments, allow your breathing to return to its natural, unguided rhythm. Continue to feel a profound sense of peace and detachment from the stresses of everyday life. Relish this deep state of tranquility, feeling completely at ease, fully immersed in the peaceful energy that surrounds and fills you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the room around you. Feel the support of the ground beneath you, and tune into the ambient sounds around. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, reintroducing movement as you gradually return to awareness. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the calm and serenity from this meditation forward into your day. Thank you for taking this peaceful journey with yourself. Remember, this serene escape is always available to you whenever you choose to return. If this meditation has brought a moment of calm to your day, consider joining our growing community. By subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button, you help us share the power of meditation with more souls searching for tranquility in this bustling world. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of peace. Each like, subscription, and share not only supports our channel, but also spreads positivity and mindfulness to others. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, peace starts within, and through our collective calm, we can make the world a more serene place. Until next time, namaste.